The Lord will indeed provide what is good, and our land will yield its increase. Psalm 85 verses 12. Sometimes we get very indecisive in the kitchen, and this day I was feeling exactly like that. So I went ahead to make this delicious eba dish that I think you're all going to love. So I decided to share with you, family. I hope you will love this in as much as I did. It's simple, quick, and very nutritious. And I would like to welcome you back, family, to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you all so much for coming back. Now let's not waste no time at all. Let's get right into this recipe. Let's get started. Here I do have very few ingredients. I have some catfish and mackerel, pre-boiled cow skin and cow stomach, and I also have some okra, spinach, some onions, and I do have my canned chopped tomatoes, palm oil, garlic, ginger, a bit of seasoning, and some stinky fish or cured fish. And we will be making eba, so I have some gari as well. So I'll go ahead and season my fish with some fish seasoning and some salt, and I'll just put it aside. All right. This recipe, you don't even need a blender, y'all. It's so easy. You go ahead and chop all the ingredients. I chopped my onions, the habanero pepper, and I'm going ahead to crush my ginger and garlic. And in my pot or pan, whatever that you have, I'm going to go ahead and add my palm oil and add my stinky fish or momoni. I promise to bring you this recipe very soon, okay? So watch out for that. So once it heats up and it's well infused, I'll go ahead and add my onions, crushed ginger and garlic, and then add my habanero pepper. I'll just allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll then introduce my chopped canned tomatoes. So we will have to let this cook for about 6 minutes and then introduce our already steamed or cooked cow skin and the cow stomach, and I am going to allow this to also cook for another 3 to 5 minutes and then introduce the fish. Okay, I use here some catfish and mackerel. Go ahead and use any fish of choice. This is absolutely the most simplest sauce you could ever have. It is absolutely delicious. Cover it and allow it to also slowly cook for another 10 minutes. Taste for salt and add if needed. That is all, family. It's absolutely easy. What you need here is to allow it to simmer on a very medium heat for about 3 minutes and your sauce should be ready. Okay, in the meantime, we go ahead and prepare our okra, which also takes for about 5 minutes to get ready. So to prepare our simple okra, in my pot I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, add my Lucost bean or dawa dawa, and some seasoning. You get to choose any favorite seasoning of yours. Go ahead and chop my okra. You can also use your food processor for this for even faster results. Okay, chop it into bigger, smaller, medium size, any size that you prefer. It has no rules. Okay. Enjoy this recipe. I enjoyed this so much because of how quick it was. So once I'm done chopping the okra, I'll go ahead and then chop my spinach as well, and then chop few red onions for garnishing. So once the water boils, I'll then add my chopped okra, allow it to cook or boil for about 2 minutes, and then introduce my chopped spinach as well, and then add my chopped red onions for garnish and also to maintain the sliminess of the okra right away. So good. So right now we have our sauce ready and our okra ready. Let's go ahead and make our eba or swallow. Oh my goodness. This is always my favorite part because I know that it's getting to the end where we are going to be doing the chopping cooking. And by the way, this is my favorite way to make eba. My husband loved this method so much because he loved his eba to be very stretchy. So he taught me this, and it's very, very amazing. I'll first of all boil my water, add a bit of salt, and then once the water boils, I will then go ahead and add my cassava flakes or gari. Yeah. And as you will do with your banku or anything, just make sure you have extra hot water on the side, and you'll be adding it bit by bit. So right now, all that you have to do is drive your eba for about 5 minutes on a low to medium heat, and it becomes this stretchy, very enjoyable, and you're going to love your eba even much more. Please do try this, and you're going to really testify. I told you this dish is really, really easy. Our sauce is ready, our okra is ready as well. All that we have to do is just serve, and we're going to enjoy this amazing dinner. If you are so in doubt of what to do, please do this, and you're going to love it so much. Super delicious, and I hope you enjoy this recipe, and you're going to give this a try. All right, thank you all so much for watching right to the end. I really enjoyed your company, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are super beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.